Hi everybody, we're Denise
and Janice,
and this is J&D Tiny House Journey.
Lord knows you've tried.
Hi! Anyway, that was a conversation you guys didn't want to be part of. Hold on, you don't even know what kind of laptop I have. Okay,
so
hello everybody.
hi.
Thank you for being with us.
Yes.
On our journey and coming along for the ride.
Yes.
If you're new, welcome. If you've been here, thank you for hanging in there. And
so,
yeah,
no new video this week.
No new video on the bus
demo this week. Obviously, there's a video because you're watching it. But yeah, we've been busy this week. We haven't been doing any bus demo because we've been doing a number of different things. Like we're working on still trying to make sure the house is ready to go so we can list it at the beginning of the year and get it sold.
If does it look like we're sitting on the floor? Because we are. And if you want to know, sorry, you were talking, but we look low to the ground. And I just wanted to address that now. But that's because we are. See the beds on the floor? That's because we sold the bed set.
Bed frame.
That's a part of the stuff we've been doing.
We've been selling off stuff that's no longer needed.
And it's definitely not going to fit in the bus.
Yeah.
What kind of bed was that? That was called a...
captain's bed.
Captain's bed. It was pretty big, so that wasn't going. And we want new and a lot of DIY things going in the bus anyway, so we...
Speaking of DIY.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Speaking of DIY, that was my signal. Why we really don't have a bus update for this week. One of the reasons is because we've been working on something on the side. It's a DIY project, specifically for me, but I'll let her use it sometimes. But it's for the bus, and we don't want to spoil it. We can't tell you, but as soon as we're done, we'll release the video for that.
Yes.
It's pretty exciting because it's going in the bus, and we're doing it ourselves.
Mm-hmm.
And we're some pretty bomb chicks, I think.
I think so.
We're doing quite a bit ourselves. So that's one thing we've been working on. And plus it's the holidays, so we've kind of been wanting to take it easy. And
especially from work.
Yeah, especially from work. We are both still working full time. We want to remind you guys that the bus is not our main thing that we're doing or the only thing we're doing.
It's kind of unfortunate because it's really fun.
Yeah, we wish we could
just do it full time, but
yeah, but we can't. We have this beautiful thing to also give time to, right? We can't just be doing all this other stuff without spending time with Shiloh, giving her a day of just focusing on her,
focus on each other.
Focus on each other. Yes. And the house. Yes. Let me give you another example. If you look right there in the bathroom, wait, hold on, you can't see. You see the black things on the wall? And that's because this mirror right there, that was pulled down so that we can get new countertops
cabinets
and vanities in all of the bathrooms in the house. This is our room right now that we're in, so that's another thing. There are a lot of contractors coming in, doing a lot of work in the house. We got the entire house repainted. Baseboards done. I mean, it just goes on. There's a lot of stuff in the house that we've been doing along with she wants me to shut up, I think. I don't know. Why are you looking at me like that? Okay. Enough of the house. But we've been doing a lot of stuff with the house and the bus and the side project and the holidays.
Needless to say, we keep ourselves pretty busy.
Yes. I really like busy. And she really likes naps, so we're trying to balance that out, guys. I'm not trying to drive her crazy.
I'm not allowed to have naps anymore.
She does get naps.
Only on days she's working.
We're not going to talk about this on the video. Okay. So
we'll move on.
Yeah, we're going to move on. So what do we say? What are we trying to tell these people here? We are going to get back to the bus probably after Christmas. So we'll say in 2 weeks not next Friday, but the week after Friday, we'll give you guys a video on what we're doing. So we'll see you in 2020 with an update on the bus. But we just wanted to let you guys know touch base, let you guys know what's going on. But we're getting a lot situated. We are so excited. There's so much to get together. We don't want to just show just the bus. We want to tell you guys about the other stuff that's happening, and that's downsizing.
It's all a part of our journey.
This entire house. It's over 24 square feet, right? I'm sorry. Oh my God, sorry. It's over 2,400 square feet. Oh, just stop it. We can't swear on these videos. Okay, it's over 2,400. See, I'm already ready for the bus. 24 square feet. Oh no, it's bigger than that. We have a 2-story house, okay? That we've gotten a ton of stuff that we're trying to get rid of, but we've already sold like really big stuff. So we have a nice empty house. It looks great, actually.
Yeah, it does. It looks really good empty.
It's better to clean.
It's not completely empty yet.
No.
Anyway, so
if you're wondering why I have this little, like, you probably weren't even noticing, but I'm subconsciously noticing that I still have my dirty, dingy shirt on because we were working outside today, and I didn't feel like getting all.
And I had to change my dirty, dingy shirt because it was the same one in our reveal video. So I'm agreeing.
Ay.
Okay, yeah, we're darks.
Okay.
It's okay.
Okay. We'll see you guys
the next video.
Next Friday. We'll see you in 2020. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Happy New Year.
And Happy New Year.
Happy Hanukkah.
Please enjoy your holidays with your family and your friends, okay? Don't be all stressed out over stuff. And your doggies. That's family to me, so.
Oh, okay.
Enjoy your holidays.
Bye.
Bye.